Alrighty, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a pair of speakers. At least I'm going to attempt it. That's my old speaker. They're junk. They've been in the truck since I bought it, which has been 30 some odd years. I've got the door panels ripped off because I'm going to paint them. And right here, I can get this to everything to set in place and not be a mess. I'm a little worried that my hands are going to get in the way of my filming when I go to cut this out. But what I did was very simple. I took the cover, I put it in place where it was going to go. Got me a black Sharpie, and I just traced the inside line all the way around. Once I knew where I wanted this thing to be, which you see right here, it's right up against this cover. I thought about putting it up here, but, well, you probably can't see it, but it would hang over. So I'll put it down here. I'll just have to remember it's down there so I don't put my foot through the speaker. The only bad part about all this is cutting a hole on the inside of your car in the metal. I always find that to be a hard one to deal with because I hate doing it. But we're going to see if we possibly can. I think I just knocked my other camera out of place. So we're going to stop for now, and I will come back because I got to bring out some tools. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is knock down the light. Second thing we're going to do is try to put the light back up to where it will stay. Good luck on that one. Alright, got to drill a hole. I think I'm going to have to go up one more size yet. I can probably make this work. Alright, things are going to get noisy in here. I'm going to use a body saw. As you can kind of halfway see. And see if we can cut this out without me sticking my hands in the way or knocking anything down. I could try to use a jigsaw, but just don't feel like it. Okay, I'm going to turn on this other camera just in case my views are really messed up on this one. And hope it's in focus. Alright, let's see. And hope it's in focus. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is going to be a tight fit. get some hearing protection. Okay, we're going to give this a couple drops of oil and let the air compressor build up. Probably a new blade would help. But as you can see, cutting very close to the line. Got a weld right here and a weld right here I got to cut through, and probably 2 layers of metal right down here. So we'll see how things go when we get down to that point. Get this thing done. See if I can get the hose around here without knocking the camera over. Yeah, there must be something right there, behind there. So, we get the drill. Not a good angle to try to drill from. To do is reach through here. Yeah, there's something right there. And it looks like, feels like it goes up and down. So this may get a little more interesting. I may have just saved you guys a lot of trouble if you try to do this. Now, I've already figured this out, that this goes through here to the inside, but it does not contact anything that I knew of. But hey, guess what? Live and learn, right? really helps if you can see what you're doing. And my saw's running out of air again. Well, I'm just going to have to let that build up. Needless to say, this video is going to get fast forwarded a lot. I don't think anybody wants to sit and watch me do 20 minutes of cutting. But I bet you're all interested in what's behind here. Guess what? Me too. And it's stuck pretty good. I've only got a small compressor out here, so sometimes it has trouble keeping up with something like this or a DA. Regular hand tools, well, unless I'm just on a roll, it'll keep up with them too. We are so close just from here to here. I could go get the plasma cutter, but nah, that would just take all the fun out of all this work. You know? Climbing up on something. I think my air compressor is going, will you slow down? Jeez, give me a break. At least it's not one of them little pancake ones. This is a twin cylinder. V-twin, like a Harley, but not as powerful. What's that blade feel like? It don't feel that bad. It should be cutting. So we must be into a heavy piece of metal there. So, have you wondered what's inside there? Well, that's what's inside there. If I'd have brought this speaker over just a little bit. Let's see. Would it have still worked? Nope, probably not. Still would have gotten into it. But I can come in here, cut this out. And probably lay a piece of metal in. Cut this back here and here. Roll this over, lay another piece of metal in, tack it in. That way any water or anything coming down this way doesn't get to the speaker. It's all clean. So, well, now you know what's inside the door panel. And we're just going to see, maybe this will go without having to go do a lot of work. Nope, not quite. But it's close. That's all there is to that. In case this one didn't record it earlier, I'll be cutting out this through here, laying metal in there so that it doesn't, water doesn't come through here, because this is for the cowl, bring in the fresh air, and to let water run down and out. Since we don't want it to run to the speakers, we will move them. Or move this piece of metal. Cut in, bend it over, and add a little metal, bring it out to this edge, call it good. Rear speakers, which you probably can't even see them. Well, you can't see them because they're not there. Okay, either way, they're going to go right back here, facing this way. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Okay, just a quick view of the speaker. It's not wired up yet, and I've still got to fill in that piece in the back there that I cut back and then rolled in. But thought I'd let you see what it's going to look like when it's all done. And if you ever do it, you'll know that there is a brace right there. So you may want to go with a smaller speaker and bring it a little bit further out this way towards the door. So, okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Bye.